1. 1946 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $12,500, located in Fairmount, North Dakota. The 1946 Ford Hot Rod presented here is a traditional American street rod that blends vintage Ford styling with classic V8 performance. Finished with an authentic post-war Ford body, this custom build offers a unique combination of old-school character and enjoyable driving manners. For enthusiasts seeking a straightforward hot rod with proven mechanical components, this Ford deserves serious consideration. Power comes from a dependable Ford Y-block engine, a respected power plant known for its distinctive sound and strong low-end torque. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the drivetrain delivers an engaging driving experience that allows the driver to stay connected with the vehicle. The truck runs and drives properly, making it suitable for local cruises, weekend events, and classic car gatherings. The rear suspension has been equipped with airbags, providing improved ride quality and allowing adjustment of the vehicle's stance. This feature adds both comfort and visual appeal while maintaining the traditional hot rod look. The body retains the timeless appearance that has made 1940s Ford Customs popular among collectors for decades. Overall, this 1946 Ford Hot Rod is an honest driver with vintage style, dependable mechanicals, and plenty of personality. It represents an affordable opportunity to own a classic American hot rod that can be enjoyed immediately while still offering room for future personalization and upgrades. 2. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $17,500, located in Lincoln, Nebraska. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a classic hot rod that delivers lightweight performance, eye-catching styling, and plenty of personality. Finished in blue with a black interior, this custom-built roadster has been extensively refreshed and is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Built with performance and reliability in mind, it offers the perfect combination of traditional hot rod appearance and modern mechanical dependability. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt Ford 302 V8 engine producing an estimated 250 to 300 horsepower. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission that has recently been rebuilt and remains under warranty. With a vehicle weight under 2,700 pounds, the performance is impressive, providing quick acceleration and an exciting driving experience. The chassis is rust-free and has benefited from a complete restoration with receipts available for the work performed. Fresh brake lines, a rebuilt drivetrain, and numerous new components demonstrate the care invested in this project. The car has been driven very little since completion and remains in excellent running condition. This T-Bucket turns heads wherever it goes and offers classic hot rod excitement for cruise nights, local car shows, and weekend drives. With substantial investment already completed, it presents a great opportunity to own a well-built and highly enjoyable American hot rod. 3. 1927 Red and White T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $18,500, located in Lindstrom, Minnesota. The 1927 Red and White T-Bucket Hot Rod is a striking custom roadster that perfectly captures the spirit of traditional American hot rodding. Featuring a vibrant red and white exterior finish, this vehicle attracts attention instantly and stands out among classic cars at shows and cruise events. Its clean presentation and detailed appearance make it a memorable addition to any enthusiast's collection. Under the hood is a powerful performance-oriented engine complemented by polished chrome headers and exhaust components. The combination produces an aggressive appearance and an unmistakable hot rod exhaust note. Designed for both performance and enjoyment, the car delivers a thrilling driving experience while maintaining the lightweight character that has made T-Buckets famous for generations. The interior is equally impressive, featuring bright red carpeting, matching red and white seating, and a traditional wood dashboard fitted with classic gauges. Recent upgrades include new Woolwood front brake calipers that contribute to improved stopping performance and overall driving confidence. Large rear tires and smaller front tires provide the aggressive stance expected from a traditional bucket roadster. Chrome wheels complete the look and add additional visual appeal. This well-presented hot rod is ready for immediate enjoyment and offers a unique blend of classic style, strong performance, and custom craftsmanship. 4. 1939 Plymouth Hot Rod Ground-Up Build. Price, $18,000, located in Shakopee, Minnesota. The 1939 Plymouth Hot Rod is a carefully constructed custom build that combines classic styling with modern comfort and dependable mechanical components. Finished as a complete ground-up project, This unique vehicle offers the charm of a pre-war automobile while providing the convenience and drivability expected from a contemporary street rod. Power comes from a rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a durable FMX cast iron automatic transmission. The drivetrain has been thoroughly inspected and resealed, ensuring dependable operation. A Ford 9-inch rear axle provides strength and reliability, making the vehicle well-suited for highway cruising and weekend driving. Thousands of dollars have been invested throughout the build, with most components either replaced or upgraded. The vehicle features power steering, power brakes, and front disc brakes, creating a driving experience that is comfortable and confidence-inspiring. Additional conveniences include a Bluetooth stereo system, power front seats, and rear seating that allows the entire family to enjoy the ride. The car runs and drives exceptionally well and is easy to operate. With extensive documentation and receipts available, this Plymouth represents a great opportunity to own a custom hot rod that combines classic looks, practical comfort, and reliable V8 performance. 5. 1930 Ford Model A. Price, $48,000, located in Higginsville, Missouri. This 1930 Ford Model A is a professionally built hot rod that combines legendary Ford styling with serious street performance. Built to stand out wherever it appears, the vehicle offers a unique blend of classic design, modern engineering, and high-quality craftsmanship that appeals to both collectors and performance enthusiasts. At the heart of the build is a powerful 354 cubic inch blown Hemi engine. The supercharged power plant delivers impressive horsepower while maintaining the unmistakable sound and presence associated with traditional hot rods. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission, creating a combination known for durability and smooth operation. The vehicle has traveled fewer than 2,000 miles since completion and remains exceptionally well maintained. A new interior was installed recently, adding comfort and enhancing the overall presentation. The build quality is evident throughout the vehicle, from the drivetrain components to the attention given to the exterior and cabin. This Model A offers the performance expected from a modern street rod while preserving the timeless appeal of an early Ford. Whether displayed at car shows or driven on weekend cruises, it delivers an unforgettable experience and represents a premium example of American hot rod culture. 6. 1922 Ford Bucket T. Price, $15,000, located in Des Moines, Iowa. The 1922 Ford Bucket T is a traditional hot rod that captures the spirit of early American custom car culture. Finished in red with a black interior, this classic roadster combines vintage styling, strong V8 performance, and a distinctive appearance that continues to attract attention wherever it travels. Power comes from a mildly built Chevrolet 350 V8 engine equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors mounted on a tunnel ram intake. The setup delivers strong performance and creates the aggressive appearance and sound that enthusiasts expect from a classic T-bucket. An MSD ignition system supports dependable operation and improved engine performance. This vehicle has been carefully maintained and remains a solid driver. While not intended as a concours show car, it possesses genuine character and authenticity that many collectors appreciate. The lightweight design and powerful engine create an exciting driving experience suitable for cruise nights, local events, and sunny weekend outings. The car carries a rich history and has clearly been cherished over the years. Its traditional hot rod stance, classic mechanical setup, and unmistakable V8 rumble make it an enjoyable vehicle for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and well-preserved example of classic American hot rod culture. 7. 1931 Ford Coupe. Price, $30,000, located in Andover, Minnesota. The 1931 Ford Coupe represents one of the most recognizable and desirable foundations in the world of classic hot rods. Known for its timeless styling, compact dimensions, and endless customization potential, the Model A platform remains a favorite among enthusiasts seeking a vehicle with both historical significance and street rod appeal. This example offers the traditional lines that have made the 1931 Ford a staple at car shows, cruise nights, and collector gatherings for decades. The coupe body style provides a balanced appearance while maintaining the classic proportions that define early Ford automobiles. Its design continues to inspire builders and collectors alike because of its versatility and unmistakable character. Built as a custom hot rod, the vehicle combines vintage styling with upgraded mechanical components intended to improve reliability and drivability. The result is a car that can be enjoyed on the road while still preserving the look and feel of a true classic American street machine. Whether added to a collection or used as a weekend cruiser, this 1931 Ford Coupe offers the charm, individuality, and nostalgic appeal that have made early Ford Customs some of the most sought-after vehicles in the classic car hobby. 8. 1946 Ford F1. Price, $18,000, located in Gretna, Nebraska. The 1946 Ford F1 Hot Rod is a unique custom pickup that blends post-war truck styling with serious V8 performance. Finished in burgundy with a tan interior, this classic Ford offers a distinctive appearance and an unmistakable hot rod attitude. Combining vintage truck character with performance-oriented upgrades, it stands out as a vehicle built to be enjoyed. Power comes from a massive Ford 460 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors. This proven big block combination delivers impressive torque and a powerful exhaust note that perfectly matches the truck's aggressive personality. A 4-speed manual transmission provides direct driver engagement and makes every drive more exciting. Additional features include a fuel cell and a set of brand new racing slicks, highlighting the vehicle's performance-focused design. The truck has been driven sparingly and remains a strong running example that is capable of attracting attention wherever it appears. Its combination of classic sheet metal and high-performance mechanical components creates a memorable driving experience. This Ford F1 offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional hot rod truck with big block power, manual shifting enjoyment, and classic American styling that never goes out of fashion. 9. 1926 Ford Model T Hot Rod. Price, $17,750, located in Elliott, Iowa. The 1926 Ford Model T Hot Rod is a beautifully customized street rod that combines traditional styling with proven performance upgrades. Finished in attractive satin gray paint, this classic hot rod offers a clean and refined appearance while maintaining the unmistakable character that has made Model T Customs popular for generations. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 327 Corvette V8 engine paired with a dependable TH350 automatic transmission. This combination provides strong performance and smooth operation, making the vehicle enjoyable for both local cruising and longer road trips. The drivetrain is complemented by a Ford 9-inch rear axle and a parallel 4-link suspension system that improves handling and ride quality. The satin gray finish is paint rather than primer, giving the vehicle a polished appearance that distinguishes it from many unfinished street rod projects. The car has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition, offering a blend of reliability and visual appeal. With its classic proportions, V8 power, and quality mechanical upgrades, this Model T Hot Rod is ready for immediate enjoyment. It represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional American hot rod with timeless styling and dependable performance. 10. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor. Price, $27,500, located in Lake St. Louis, Missouri. The 1929 Ford Model A Tudor is a professionally built hot rod that combines classic Ford styling with modern suspension and braking upgrades. Finished in black with a gray interior, this custom sedan offers a clean and aggressive appearance while maintaining the timeless charm that has made Model A vehicles highly desirable among enthusiasts. Power comes from a Ford 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. This proven combination delivers dependable performance and excellent drivability. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a 4-link suspension setup that improves traction, stability, and ride quality. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes that provide confident stopping power and a super bell-dropped front axle that enhances both appearance and handling characteristics. A tilt steering wheel contributes to driver comfort and convenience, making the vehicle enjoyable during longer trips and weekend cruises. The car presents itself as a complete and well-executed street rod that balances traditional design with modern functionality. Whether attending local events or simply enjoying open road driving, this 1929 Ford Tudor delivers the style, performance, and character that hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. 11. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $19,500, located in Topeka, Kansas. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod is a freshly built custom roadster designed to provide reliable performance, modern technology, and classic hot rod excitement. Finished in flat black with a matching black interior, this striking vehicle presents a clean and aggressive appearance while retaining the lightweight character that has made T-Buckets legendary. Power is supplied by a Chevrolet Crate 350 V8 engine rated at approximately 290 horsepower. The engine is equipped with MSD atomic fuel injection, MSD ignition components, and a handheld tuning controller that help provide smooth operation and dependable performance. A TH350 automatic transmission with a performance stall converter handles power delivery efficiently. The vehicle rides on a Ford 8-inch posi-traction rear axle supported by coilover shocks. Additional features include an aluminum radiator, flaming river tilt steering column, locker controls, odometer gauges, and professionally installed wiring. New rear tires and front tires complete the package. With very low mileage since completion, this T-Bucket remains exceptionally fresh and ready for immediate enjoyment. It is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a modernized hot rod with classic looks, dependable components, and impressive attention to detail. 12. 1931 Ford Model A. Price, $43,000, located in Strafford, Missouri. The 1931 Ford Model A is a beautifully constructed hot rod that combines traditional styling with modern comfort and performance. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this custom build offers a sophisticated appearance while maintaining the timeless character that has made model a hot rod's favorites among collectors and enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch crate engine with low mileage since installation. The engine is paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle, creating a dependable drivetrain designed for enjoyable street use. The vehicle benefits from a 4-link suspension system, air ride technology, and a split wishbone front suspension that provide both comfort and excellent road manners. Additional highlights include 4-wheel disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, Bluetooth audio, dolphin gauges, a locker shifter, and distinctive lake headers. White wall tires, a pop-out windshield, orange LED accent lighting, and a functional sunroof add further personality to the build. Built by Van's Speed Shop, this Model A is a well-executed custom hot rod that is ready to drive, show, and enjoy while offering a strong combination of classic style and modern convenience.